They definitely described the Maroons as, you know, doing magic because they were doing things they couldn't comprehend.
Well, yes, we have certain elements in which we only can speak of so much because our culture actually limits us into whatever we are supposed to say. We only can talk about so much because we have to be careful of the information that we also put out there, because the same stuff the same herb that I show you that can heal you can also use to harm you. So we have to be mindful and careful who we teach what and how and which type of information that we put out there. You know, so yes, we're doing magic, and it's not just magic. All right, it's called Obeah. All right, so the Christianity that was introduced to us through slavery. Let us see, like, whatever is black or whatever the black do is evil. This is why they say black magic and say it's evil. It's not evil, but it's what you use it for. All right. Yes, we have to use it to fight. Back in the time, we have to use it to fight and fight the British for our life and for the safety of our kids and our families. All right.